What's up, guys? We're here at the Razer booth at CES 2019, and we are going to check out their Hypersense haptics ecosystem.
ThinkComputers CES 2019 coverage is brought to you by Kingston Technologies UV500 solid-state drive. 10 times faster than a 7200 RPM hard drive. Available in multiple form factors. In capacities up to 1.92 terabytes.
You see right now is based on positional audio. So we have the mouse. The mouse triggers through weapon recall and gunshots. The wrist rest, if you jump, you actually feel it tapping each time you jump. And then the chair is for large impact explosions as well as just fire jetpack as well. You like to put on the headset as well? And you have the full 360 experience. There you go.
Alright, so there's definitely some shaking going on in my lower back and under my butt when I'm rocket jumping. Let's see what the Ultimate does here. Definitely some shaking in the mouse, and I can really feel it in the wrist rest as well. For example, when I fly up in the sky, I definitely feel it in my back. I don't know if that's because Farah in-game has a rocket pack, and that's why the feeling is located there. But when I hit the ground, my mouse hand definitely shakes, as well as the wrist rest. Oh wow. Yeah, you definitely feel it hitting the ground. And the headphones are shaking as well, so it definitely feels like a different gaming experience. A lot of rumbling in the chair for sure. Definitely a lot of shaking and vibration going on. The headphone shaking is a little bit distracting, but I think once you get used to it, it can really be enjoyable. So I just finished up demoing Razer's new haptic ecosystem. They have a headset available right now, so you can actually go out and get this currently. They also have a keyboard and mouse that has a lot of vibration here in the hand and also in the wrist rest. I know when I was playing as Farah, when you would jump up into the air or land, you definitely feel that vibration of impacting with the ground, especially in the back of the chair as well. This chair is enabled with the haptic system as well. Really comfortable chair and really immersive, especially probably for a single person game. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll see you in the next video.